Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing and product review video. Here we're gonna present the Aothia keyboard pad and mouse pad. It's a pretty good size, look. It comes packaged like this, so we're gonna open it on this side to show you better how it's the product. So we take it out and it presents in this form. It's rolled up, so we're gonna now take off the paper to show you better how it looks. So yeah, we're gonna take it out like this, and now that it's all taken out, I'm gonna show you better with a better look the keyboard pad. So this is it. It's a color gray, pretty much a standard color for every furniture in your home, in your office. It combines with every color desk and monitor. So yeah, look, it's pretty much big. It doesn't fit in my camera angle, but I'm gonna show you later a better look. Look, it's a very good quality material. Here it goes with a paper tip. Here comes little details about how you can fold it to better space. And yeah, oh look, this is very soft area, very soft. Look, I'm gonna show you how it can be folded also. If it's too big, it doesn't damage the pad. It can be rolled like this. And yeah, look, here's what I was telling you about. It can be folded, it doesn't damage the material. And look, this is a better angle about the product. It's pretty big. Yeah, I like it a lot. If you have a big table, this is fantastic for you. Look, here's a little example about how it can work with a keyboard. It's a very small keyboard, but it also works with a little bigger one. Look, here it's a space for the monitor, here the keyboard. And well, yeah, as you can see, it's a very big pad. I'm gonna show you here in a second how it would work with a mouse at your right side. Look, it has a lot of space. So yeah, this is it. This is the keyboard pad, Aothia, and mouse pad. I hope you liked it. I totally recommend this product. See you the next time.